Let's take a look at our replace feature and just see how handy this little feature can be. So to access the replace feature, right click on the cabinet, choose the cabinet, drop down to replace. And here you'll notice we've got Kemper cabinetry in our drop down and nothing else. Now this is replace and not switch SKU, so if you wanted to change it into a different cabinet line, then you need to choose switch SKU. But for replace, it's just going to allow you to replace out of the Kemper catalog or whatever catalog you're using. Now if I had copies of this catalog, say Kemper 1, Kemper 2, Kemper 3 or what have you, then they would show up here too, and I could actually switch them into a different catalog. Well, a different copy of the catalog. Now let's say I want to take this base 30 and I just want to switch it over to a sink base 30. Now you're right, I could delete it and I could come over here and search for my sink base 30 and drag it out here and drop it in, but why bother when there's an easier way? So I want a sink base 30 and I've got some search criteria down here. We can either look for the SKU or the description. Now I typed in the SKU. If I wanted the description, I would type in sink base and maybe add 30, but I probably want to pull up all sink bases. So I do sink base, and then we have and or here, so we can choose both. So it would look at the way it's set up, it's going to look at the SKU and the description, or we can choose, SKU, and then it would be or, and then you would just be looking for the SKU. But I'm going to put the sink base 30 back in there. It'll work either way. Hit find. Here's all my sink base 30s. Say I want to use this guy right here. Just simply select it. It's already selected over here. It's opened up where it's found in my catalog, and then just hit replace and it'll come right in. So we'll just go ahead and do that. There's my sink base 30. Now we're going to go here and hit replace again. We're going to take a look at this side of the screen, because this side didn't change when we were playing with this side until I selected something. So this is all of our base cabinets in the catalog. So we can come through and we can choose any of these base cabinets. Now we're in sink base here, but we can go up to super cabinets, whatever. We'll go look at super cabinets here. So super cabinets, we're just selecting them through the tree, and of course you can make this tree bigger or smaller to fit your needs. Super cabinet, we're just going to choose this guy. I'm going to hit replace, and now my super cabinet's in there. So that makes it quick and easy to go in and replace your cabinets when the customer makes a change or when you decide it needs to be changed. And it's quick and easy, and it'll save you a lot of time searching through your cabinet list over here.